Hey YouTube, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this Blockman GO Mod APK and also hack for iOS and Android devices. So if you guys play Blockman Go, have a look at this mod menu. I'm going to show you guys how to get it. This is completely free and 100% safe. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this with this mod menu. There's so many things you can do, like boost your FPS, give you crosshairs, change the color of it, and a lot of other features not listed here, but I'm going to show you exactly how to go ahead and get this. This is going to take you literally under a couple minutes, and if you play Blockman Go and you want to get this mod menu and want to do well in the game, you're going to want to watch this video, guys. This is going to get you free Gcubes as well, so stay along, follow along. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So guys, what I'm going to do is turn on my screen recording and go ahead and put it up there so you guys can follow along. As you guys can see, I am doing this on iOS, but if you are on Android, it is going to work as well. So let's get into the tutorial and show you right now. So guys, make sure you have Blockman Go installed from either the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Make sure that's updated on the latest game files, because what we're going to be installing is a plugin here. It's going to be Blockman Go. As you guys can see, it says open. So make sure you guys have the game installed, and then we can go ahead and get this. So head over here to your browser. So go to Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser your mobile device uses, or your iPad or tablet. Make sure you guys are updated on that as well. Come over here to the address bar, and what we're going to do is we're going to visit this website. Now I'm going to spell it out for you. It's called easyplugin.com. Now I'm going to spell it out for you, so follow along because it is spelled differently. So easyplugin.com. easyplugin.com, and you're going to see this website right here. Just press I understand, and you can see Easy Plugin. Go to search on Easy Plugin and type in Blockman. You want to spell it correctly, Blockman, and you're going to see Blockman Go installer for iOS and Android. So tap on that, guys, and press start install. And what that's going to do is basically install the Blockman Go mod menu and plugin for you guys in pretty much like 2 minutes, a minute or so. Now what this is going to do is install it to your game files. However, it is going to need some additional plugin files in order for Blockman Go to actually finally install and actually work. Now you're going to need 2 to 3 of these free additional plugin files. They're actually going to be on the next page. So make sure you guys are going ahead and getting 2 to 3 of those. Now there's also going to be a YouTube video on the next page showing you how to get those additional plugin files, and the mod menu will not run without those free additional plugin files installed and ready to go. So make sure you guys are doing that. It's going to take you there. Watch the YouTube video, download the 2 to 3 free additional plugin files. Once you guys have done that, that's going to go ahead and actually get the Blockman Go mod menu installed, and you should be all good to go. Once that's installed, guys, go ahead, have fun, enjoy it. It's going to make the game way more fun, and this is of course completely safe and ban free. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.